Sleepless nights with autism? Steal these 5 calm down secrets. In minutes, you'll have a bedtime blueprint parents actually use. Sleep problems are common in autism, affecting roughly 40 to 80% of children. We'll count down 5 proven habits, then give you a one-line bedtime recipe. Tip 5. Same steps, same order every night. Use a simple visual schedule. Routines anchor the brain for sleep. Tip 4. Dim lights, keep the room cool, and try steady sound like white or pink noise if it helps. Tip 3. Power down screens about an hour before bed. Swap with calm activities like reading. What's one thing that calms your child at night? Comment below. Tip 2. Try gentle heavy work earlier in the evening, then quiet pressure to settle. Tip 1. Offer small choices and use a short social story to explain what happens next. Quick note. Weighted blankets are popular, but research shows mixed results. Use with guidance. Your recipe? Routine plus sensory calm, plus screen-free hour plus early movement plus clear choices. Save this for tonight, then tell us which tip worked. Subscribe for more sleep tools.